All right, ladies and gentlemen, in this video, we are going to connect our Developer Edition orgs to our Trailhead accounts. We will not create a Developer Edition org in this video. That's for another video. The link is in the description below if you want to learn how to create a Developer Edition org. But in this video, all we're going to do is connect our Developer Edition org to our Trailhead account so that you can start doing activities in your Developer Edition org. So the first thing we're going to do is come to trailhead.salesforce.com. So once you get here, you are going to come over to the top right of your screen and click on your profile, that picture that you have of yourself or of whatever mascot that you have next to your name, your badges, and your points. Click on that. Come down and click on Settings. And then come over here to Connect an Org. Click right here, the blue button, Connect an Org. And you are going to want to put in the credentials for your Developer Edition org that you have created. Once you do that, you will click Login. After you click Login, you will see the Developer Edition org that you have linked. The one that I linked was Kaylin@hello.com right here. That is linked, and what we're going to do is test that out. We're going to come over here to a project so that we can launch this. We want to click here. I'm just picking a random project here, something that's going to verify that my connection is actually valid. And I am going to come down to the challenge. I see that Kaylin@hello.com is actually linked, but we'll take it one step further and click Launch. And we see here that we are indeed linked. So what we've seen here is we have seen how to come over to Trailhead, click on our badge, click Settings, come down and see the Connect an Org button right here in blue. And after that, we have clicked it, we have logged in with our credentials, and we have tested that it actually indeed does work.